has to dry. I'm using these 6,000 because I don't like the fabric glue that I'm using. Is these two Fabric Fusion. I found like it has ratings that they stay strong, but I don't feel like it, so I'm not gonna use that. Okay, well this has to dry, so I can't do much, but I'm just gonna wrap it just a little to show you. See, this is my face mask. How cool is that? Using some denim and some sequins. So I'm gonna put some buttons at the ends and the strap to latch it, but I can't do that yet only because it's dry. So let it dry. All right, folks, it's finished. However, it's still not dry, so I can't really demonstrate how I want to wear it. But if you look, you'll see. There we go. I have sequins going around the whole strip of it. See, I can't care if it's not dry. Going around strip, and then I put buttons here to hold it. And you see. Anytime I'm gonna cut those off with pepper glue. Okay, this one I did the cut already. And this will hold it. See, you got the holes inside of it, so it will hold it to wrap around the back of my head, and it's stretched, so it's adjustable. But I will show you when it's dry. But this is so cute and fashionable. Not saying it's okay with Corona, because it's horrible, but you still gotta be safe. And it is a thick cotton. It's denim, so it's not seeping through, and it can protect you from your nose and your mouth. So that's good. So as you see, I have this mask that I made from denim. Show you guys a fashionable face mask. Good morning, friends. So this is the mask that I created. It hasn't dried now. Right here we have all the sequins along the line of it. And then the buttons that I put. And I put a little backing just to keep it in place. So you basically put it on like this, and then I put a loop right here so I go block the nose. So it'll be like this. This is the strip that I told you guys about. I took my daughter's thing. You just put it right through the hole. Stretch it, and it goes right over the button. See? Same thing. Hold it and put it as tight as you want. Just stretching it. Okay. That's it. See? Snug. And it covers. Okay. Only thing, because I'm breathing, it's got a little bit, but that's okay. Nice and snug. Then you just take it off. Haven't I could get your cookies. And that's it.